Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a song on a budget, and today I'll be giving you guys some travel hacks. Is there a difference between an airline credit and an airline voucher? Do they mean exactly the same thing? And I'll be bringing you more idea on what exactly is an airline credit and an airline voucher. So stay tuned. Guys, welcome back. This is AsongOn Budget. I just want to dive into it real quick. So when you cancel a trip that you have, or let's say you change your flight to a lesser price of the ticket that you have, what the airline does is that it gives you back that balance as an airline credit or as an airline voucher. These things are actually different based on the airlines, and sometimes some of the airlines have their own perks to differentiate. So I'm just going to tell you exactly what some of these reasons are. Usually, airline credit and airline voucher are actually exactly the same thing. What they act like a coupon or like a gift card where you can use to purchase another ticket in advance. Sometimes the difference could be that some airlines doesn't want you to use it for someone else. That means you cannot transfer it. Some airlines are saying that yes, you can transfer it. Some other airlines call it like a travel certificate. Different airlines call it different names. And in a time where we cannot no longer use, where most airlines have waived the airline fees, it's not very beneficial these days to use your airline credit. The only catch is that some airline credits expire within 3 or 4 months, especially when they give you like a gift card, like a voucher. Some actually expire 12 months. So from the time your ticket has was issued, so like February 12th till 2023 to February 2024, that's when your voucher or your airline credit was going to expire. So make sure that you use it by then, February. What that means is that you can use that ticket going and coming back before February 2024. So you have to use it within a 12-month calendar. Some other airlines have the opportunity to do an extension. These extensions was being done during the pandemic time where some airlines were even giving you 24 months. But now this is post-pandemic. Some other airlines actually keep that, but some right now are very, very strict. So some airlines, what they actually do is that they will actually allow you to actually use that past even the 12 months. Some of them are not going to allow you to do it. Some of them I'll give the opportunity to transfer to someone else to use that voucher or that airline voucher, some that airline credit. So yes, they're almost exactly the same thing, but some airlines kind of make it a little bit different. Some airlines actually call it e-credit. Sometimes these airlines don't even want you to use some of this credit, so make sure, guys, you should know that by the time you booked, your ticket was issued, know that count 12 months from that time, that is when that airline credit is going to expire. If at all you don't travel, you're going to lose it. So it's a use it or lose it situation. So always pay attention if when you cancel your trip, you have an airline credit, know that it's going to expire within that period. So we have a particular airline in the United States called Southwest Airlines. It has what they call an LUV voucher. It's actually different from every airlines. What it does is that you cannot lose your airline voucher. It is actually for set for life. You can keep it as much as you want. The only catch is you have to be one of the elite members in the Southwest Airlines account. So you can even transfer it to someone else if you actually want to. And one good thing about it is that it's always transferable. Even if you're an elite status on that particular airlines or not, you can transfer it. But usually, if you buy one of their basic economy ticket, it's not going to transfer for that particular one. But if you buy anything a little bit higher for that, it's actually going to transfer. Hey guys, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. Some travel hacks. And if you have been enjoying some of the travel hacks and some of the places I've gone to on a budget, please give me this thumbs up. And if you really want to support me, I have a link in the description below, my PayPal, my Zelle, or my Cash App for more future travel hacks. And also stay tuned to some of my journeys I have traveled on a budget.